Hi, I'm Willie. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for being here. I appreciate each and every one of you. What we're looking at here in this video is go grab your Synology RT2600AC because SRM 1.3 is available for this and for the MRC as well. We're going to take a look at that here in a second. So the easiest way to get 1.3, it's not available as an update because it's technically a release candidate, but it's super duper close. So I'm going to show you how to do this because it'll work like this when the actual release comes out, right? So the quickest thing to do is to make sure that on your current router, you're on SRM 1.2.5-8227 update 5. That's the furthest automatic update that your Synology router is going to get you to. Then what you're going to do is you're going to hop over here to Synology.com. We are going to scroll down to downloads. We're going to select network and we're going to select the RT2600AC. So obviously the RT6600AC shipped with it. It is available for the MR2200AC as well as the RT2600AC, which is what we're going to look at here. Now right here under OS version, we're going to select 1.3. And then down here, it'll show you if you're on, it'll show you how you have to upgrade to this. So if we're on 1.2.5-8227, we can go right to the 1.3.1. So we are going to go ahead and we're going to download this. And it's going to take a few seconds. Not too many, cruising right along, about 194 meg download. So now what we're going to do is we're going to hop back over to our RTC 2600 AC, and we're going to be on that same system page under the control panel. We're going to go to manual SRM update. Then we're going to choose that file. All right, so there's our file. We're going to hit OK. Now it's going to tell us, you know, some of the features on 1.2 might be adjusted or removed for 1.3. Please refer to this page. So if we click that, which was a horrible mistake to not right click on it. It's going to tell us like WDS wireless repeater mode not available. SSH is now disabled. And there's some other things. Cloud station doesn't work. Wi-Fi performance test doesn't work. And Smart Connect schemes doesn't work. We're going to go back to that because I should have right clicked on it and tried to open it. Or maybe that's a programming error on their part. But anyway, back to the control panel, back to system. Back to manual update. All right, we're going to go ahead and it cannot be rolled back easily. Let's just say that it can't. And backup configuration files created by SRM 1.2.5 and below cannot be used to restore on 1.3. We gotcha. So we're going to go ahead and say yes. Now it's going to upload that 124 meg file, whatever it was in that neighborhood, to the router. And I don't know, you can see the lights, you might not be able to see, but the lights are busy. It is upgrading and it's uploading. So as soon as that's done, we're going to get that lovely upload screen. And then we're going to hop back into this and we're going to take a look at some of the features. Now, currently, this is in pass-through mode because I'm using it for content filtering, that fine-grained content filtering that we like to see. The system cannot be shut down during the update. Do we want to continue? Yes. Now it says it's going to take 10 minutes. All right. So you can see that 1.3 has a different look, just like SRM or just like the Synology NAS software, the DSM. Holy cow. So we are going to log in. The system is getting ready. Please sign in later. Okie dokie, that's what we'll do. All right, so we are now logged in. Okay, so here it is. Here it is. Unkyjoe is right. 5 local networks. So we can only create up to 5 separate networks and 15 Wi-Fi SSIDs. So this will have some limited capacity, but who needs more than 5 networks in a small office? I mean, count them off, but here we go, network segmentation and VLAN tagging. Integrate your Synology router into existing networks with full VLAN support and router bridge and mesh Wi-Fi configuration. So maybe the 5 local networks means that, I don't know. We'll have to figure that out. I don't know exactly what that means, but let's go check it out here. We're on the status page for Network Center. We're going to go to local network and VLAN tags. Yeah, here it is right here. So we got the guest network, we got internet, and of course then we've got you know, untagged, which is this one. And IGMP snooping is available. So
let's just do something. Let's just do, we'll do 1 next, and we're not going to do an SSID for it. Yes, for sure. Apply. 10 to 30 seconds. It's way too much time. So I'm going to see if I can create more than 5 networks real quick, just to see. You've heard about all the cool things that SRM 1.3 can do. So, and there is actually a security update in 1.3. So I don't usually recommend release candidates, but it may not be a bad idea. We're going to see how many of these we can, how many of these we can create. So there's 1, 2, so we're up to 4 networks. 3, no SSID. So we'll see what happens here. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's try to create another one. And that's it. That is absolutely it. And
it limited us. So that's good though, because they recognize the limits of the hardware. So now what we need to do, Synology, is create a beast of a router with SRM. All right, so everything else is pretty much going to be the same. The only other thing that we're going to really get into is we're going to get into the VPN plus server and threat prevention. So I'm going to go ahead and install VPN plus server because you are going to, I think, like the videos on this. You can't even believe how powerful the VPN server is for free. Really, you can't. So my suggestion to you is check out SRM 1.3. Make sure you've got a backup. Make sure that maybe it's not in production. It is a release candidate, so your mileage may vary. I'm not telling you that you need to upgrade at this time. I've given you all of those parameters, and if you choose to upgrade, you have chosen to do so of your own free will and accord. And just beware, it is not a final release. It is still a release candidate, but I don't know that there's anything else that they're going to polish on it, right? So this is it. Check it out. SRM 1.3, the automatic meshing from the new AX unit to these works flawlessly. And the meshing on the AX units works flawlessly. And then you control everything from one router. And I've got it deployed for a couple people already, and I can't say really enough about it. You know how I feel. The Synology has the best content filtering, the best granular network control of the routers that we deal with. It just does, hands down. And if you want to put that to the test, down in the comments, tell me what router you want to see this thing go head to head with as far as controlling what's going on your network. Just let me know. You got to remember, it's got to be in the same class. You can't say Palo Alto versus Synology. It's Palo Alto, totally different level. But we're talking pfSense, OpenSense, we're talking Ubiquity, we're talking QNAP, all of the routers. For what this does with the network control, the content filtering. So let me know what you want to see on this. Otherwise, we're going to start rolling out some SRM 1.3 videos and how to configure things. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Please comment and share. Please follow me on Twitter and TikTok. Those links are down below. And if you need IT consulting, go to williehowe.com, click Hire Us or the Contact Us form. Fill that information out, and someone will be in touch with you as soon as possible. If you'd like to support the channel in other ways, there are affiliate links down below. They don't change your price, but they do kick a couple bucks to the channel. Once again, I'm Willie. Check out SRM 1.3, and as always, I'll see you in the next video.